Open access bibliographic resources related to life sciences. There are a number of open access resources related to life sciences, of which the most commonly used ones are PubMed, Biomed Central, PLOS and Site Explorer. PubMed. PubMed was first released in January 1996 as an experimental database under the Entrust retrieval system with full access to Medline. The word experimental was dropped from the website in April 1997, and on June 26, 1997, free Medline access via PubMed was announced at a Capitol Hill press conference. Use of PubMed has grown exponentially since its introduction. PubMed searches numbered approximately 2 million for the month of June 1997, while current usage typically exceeds 3.5 million searches per day. It is a service of the US National Library of Medicine that provides free access to over 15 million Medline citations back to the 1950s and additional life science journals. PubMed includes links to many sites providing full text articles and other related resources. PubMed comprises more than 25 million citations for biomedical literature from Medline, life science journals and online books. PubMed citations and abstracts include the fields of biomedicine and health, covering portions of the life sciences, behavioral sciences, chemical sciences and bioengineering. PubMed also provides access to additional relevant websites and links to the other NCBI molecular biology resources. Let us now learn how to search articles on PubMed. Searching for articles based on the subject. To search for a specific subject on PubMed, type in your query in the search tab on the top of the web page. Be sure not to use any punctuation, tag or operators. For example, if your subject query is parabens and cancer, type in your subject name and in the tab next to the search tab. Here is the result output of your query. For example, the above subject search is for articles related to parabens and cancer. To search PubMed, enter your concept in phrases into the search box. For most PubMed searches, it is best to be specific. The more terms you enter, the narrower your search will be and fewer irrelevant results you will retrieve. Use no punctuation, for example, no quotation marks. PubMed will find phrases for you. Use no operators such as and. PubMed will add and between concepts. Use no tags. PubMed will differentiate topic words, journal titles and author names. Searching for articles based on the author. For searching articles based on the author, enter the author's last name and initial in the search box. Do not use any punctuation. PubMed retrieves authors with the last name and the initial used in the search. As you can see in the screenshot image, the following results were obtained when a particular author name, for example in this case Hamid Rabia, was given and the articles published by this particular author was obtained. PubMed Advanced Search Builder. You can also use the Advanced Search Builder to obtain information regarding the literature with respect to a specific author. You need to click on Advanced to use the search builder and then select Author from the All Fields menu. The Author search box includes an autocomplete feature. The results obtained for the particular query is as shown in the snapshot. The results obtained here displays all the articles published by the specific author. Use MESH to build a better PubMed query. In order to get a targeted PubMed search, we could use the MESH or Medical Subject Headings database. This video demonstrates how to use the MESH or Medical Subject Headings database to create a targeted PubMed search. From the PubMed homepage in the More Resources section, click the link to the MESH database. MESH is the controlled vocabulary used for indexing PubMed citations. if we want to find articles about problems associated with giving flu vaccines to individuals with egg allergies, first search for flu vaccine, which returns the MESH term influenza vaccines. The page displays a definition and additional information about the term. In the MESH database, terms are arranged hierarchically by subject categories, with more specific terms arranged beneath broader terms. You will notice that influenza vaccines is listed under viral vaccines, which is under vaccines. Now, click vaccines to display the variety of terms available under this concept. These subheadings may be used to narrow the search. Since we are interested in the negative effects of the flu vaccine, click the subheading Adverse Effects and then click the button Add to the search builder. Since we want to further limit to research articles on egg allergies, search MESH as we did with flu vaccines to find the appropriate MESH term. Then enter egg allergy in the search box at the top of the page. The database displays the MESH term egg hypersensitivity, which should be added to my PubMed search by clicking the Add to Search Builder button. I am now ready to search PubMed, so click Search PubMed. This search retrieves a relatively small number of targeted citations. You will notice that all of these citations are tagged with the text PubMed indexed for Medline. This indicates that the citation has been indexed with MESH terms. But please keep in mind that not all PubMed citations are slated to be MESH indexed, and it may take several weeks for a new citation to be indexed. So, using MESH terms will limit your results to a subset of PubMed citations. Using the filter sidebar. This short video demonstrates how to use the PubMed filter sidebar. These filters replace the limits page, bringing the same functionality as limits directly to your search results page. Let us now use the word cancer as a sample search query. This is the result obtained when we type in cancer as a sample search query. In the sidebar, you see a default set of filter categories. To change this list, click Choose Additional Filters, select the desired categories and then click Apply. Note that text availability and publication dates cannot be removed. To narrow the search results, we could filter for articles published in the last 5 years that are also article type clinical trial. A filter's activated message appears. Just as with limits, once a filter is active, it remains in effect for subsequent searches until it is cleared. You can clear active filters in several ways. Use the Clear All links, the clear link for all filters within a category, or click an active filter. Within a category, applying additional filters actually expands your search rather than narrows it. This is because the additional filter is included as an OR term. For example, adding reviews expands my results today from 404 to 787. If you want to narrow your search with review, use search details to change the or to an and.